We're solving a problem from section 9.3, further solving linear equations. We have this equation, we have 3 parentheses x plus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now you notice we do have a 3 in a parentheses on the left hand side, but we're also dividing by 6. So what we need to do first is go ahead and multiply by 6 to both sides. And the reason we want to multiply by 6 is because 6 times 3 is 18 divided by 6. Well, actually you get 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 18 divided by 6 is 3. So now your left hand equation has 3 parentheses x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 4 times 6. So now that we don't have the 6 in the denominator, we can apply the distributive property since we have parentheses. So we have 3 times x, which gives us 3x, and 3 times 1, which gives us 3, equals 6 times 2x, which gives us a product of 12x, and 6 times negative 4, which gives us a product of negative 24. And since we are going to be working with the variables on the left side and the integers on the right side, what we want to do first is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides. And that is the additive inverse. So 3 minus 3 is 0, and we're left with 3x equals 12x. And you notice here we have negative 24 and a negative 3. We have the same sign, so therefore it's going to be negative 27. Now, since we have the x on the left side, and on the right side we have negative 27, we notice that the 12x is out of place here. What we're going to do is we're going to add the additive inverse, so we have negative 12x, and you subtract 12x, and we have 12x minus 12x, which is 0, and we have 3x minus 12x. We have different signs, so we're going to go ahead and subtract, and we have 9, and we're going to keep the sign of the large number, which is, in this case, it's 12, so it's negative 9x equals, and remember, we have a negative 27. And since we're multiplying, we're going to have to divide by negative 9. So our value of x will equal negative 27 divided by negative 9, the quotient of these two numbers, and you get 3. What we have to do now is we need to check if the solution is correct. So we're going to substitute. We have 3 times 3 plus 1 divided by 6, and we're going to follow the order of operation. So we have 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have 3 times 4 over 6, and we get 12 over 6, which gives us 2. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and substitute x for 3 on the right side, and we get 2 times 3 minus 4. And following the order of operation, we have 2 times 3 is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And we notice that both sides do equal each other. So therefore, the solution is x equal 3.